Bobby's ready for this. She's a ripper. See how good she starts in the morning on E. A little bit of a belt squeak. Other than that, she fired right up. Not a bad cold start. You smell the E85?
Yeah. Can I go through this way?
Yes. And this too, please.
Smells weird.
You like it?
Yeah.
Smell like corn. Corn on the cob. It's in that 500. It's right around 500 wheel on the 85.
What about on regular gas?
400.
400?
Like 394 or something. But the amount of torque this thing made, it made more torque on pump gas than it did horsepower. It made like 418 foot-pounds, which is nuts.
Dang.
This turbo comes on so like soon and hard.
Yeah.
It's like the perfect. I love the setup.
Just don't know if I need all this stuff. I mean,
I think you do.
it scares me. Like it doesn't feel.
Like your car?
No, it doesn't feel like my car at all.
A little bit faster than yesterday.
Way faster. I was kind of giving it poke yesterday. It was like, wow, this thing's gonna make what it did when I was stock. Because that's when I left. It was still making like.
I think when you left it was like 250.
Yeah.
You wanna drive? Or what's up?
I don't know. I don't want to slam gears like.
You don't have to.
Baby, when you're slamming gears, you like move higher and higher up in your seat. You're like growing taller and taller.
God damn, this car's so fun.
How long do you think the motor's gonna last?
It could last, I don't know, a couple thousand miles, 10,000. But it's gonna have a built motor well before then.
You think?
Yeah.
Why?
I wanna make 600 on this setup, it'd be nuts. Which we could probably make 600 for one pull and it'd go boom. Or stock motor.
Yeah.
But this turbo wants to rev way higher. Our limiter now is at 73. And if we do like a built automatic cam springs retainers, it could easily go to like 85.
Yeah.
82, 85. Yeah, pretty nuts.
This is just a lot to take in.
It feels way faster than like I expected it to feel.
Did you have Josh drive it at all last night?
He was going to, and then we went back to the shop. We both thought it started making noise, but it didn't. We were just being paranoid because it's so fucking sent.
I understand. What does the knock sound like anyways?
What knock?
Like in a motor?
Oh, it was just here, like
Like clicking or?
this.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Look how like fast and like how quick it's smooth.
Yeah, it's just like right when you want it to go, she goes.
You tell her to go and she eats. Hop on in, brother. Yeah, don't feel the need to bang gears, but obviously it's gonna hurt your clutch way more than it needs to.
I don't want to bang gears.
But the clutch is easy to do.
It is.
Well, I plan on doing a clutch when I build the motor, so.
Okay.
You ready?
I have really bad anxiety right now.
You don't need to send it.
I'm not.
We can put it on intelligent mode for you, no hard feelings. Also, your limiter's set pretty low, so we don't flip valves. Alright? So if you want to bang the limiter for a split second, feel free.
Where is it set to again?
73. What?
You're all nuts.
You think this is your car?
I know. I don't know yet, but I think this is too much for me.
Is it faster than your Evo? Also, let me know how it drives too, like drivability, because we try to get it 100% perfect.
I want to rip around the corner, but I don't want to fall off the cliff.
She lives to breathe another day.